The first thing that I am going to do is detox her hair. I'm about to detox to start to remove buildup from her hair. After we're done rinsing out, we're going to move forward with our rinse out conditioner. It's important to use a conditioner after shampooing to seal in the moisture and also help to detangle the hair. After rinsing her hair, I am now going in with our leave-in conditioner. I only use 2 or 3 pumps because a little goes a long way. And we're gonna emulsify in our hands. And we're just gonna spread all throughout and really work it in. Just work it all the way in. After applying our leave-in conditioner, we're gonna go straight in with our curl defining gel. And then we're just gonna go in with some water. It's very important to use water with your wash and goes. And get that section completely wet. I'm gonna grab some gel. Rub it in and apply it directly to that section. And the technique I'm using is smoothing and then raking. So before starting a curly cut, I always consult with my client to just figure out what her expectations are, what she's looking for in her curly cut, and things like that. So I know we're going for a volume.
Yes.
Is there anything else, any other major stipulations? You don't want to go too short?
I always start my cuts out by saying I do like the longer hair to frame my face. I think it looks better to frame my face. However, wherever my ends need to be healthy, I'm fine with.
So because your hair has been cut in a blown out state, we have a little bit of disconnections going on towards the back. The front is good, the front hangs really well, that's an easy cleanup. But in the back, we have some disconnections within the crown and then kind of towards the nape area where it creates just like what we would call like a mullet. She has more length here, more hang time, and then her disconnection is here in her crown. So a lot of people get confused that this is length pertaining to curly hair. And in all reality, it's not, because it just creates more disconnections here. So in order to create a really nice curly cut, it comes from angles. And majority of the time your length is up in your crown. So you take some of your length from your base, which is near your nape area, and you clean that up to where it connects to the crown area. We're good. We're gonna move on to our cut. I'm gonna start at the back. Okay. I'm gonna create a foundation and then we'll move from there. I'm gonna start right at her base. I'm going to be using shears today, professional shears. It's important to use professional shears or get a professional cut because you want to make sure that your shears are sharp. You don't want to cut with kitchen scissors, hardware scissors, because it's gonna disrupt your hair and how it grows. So I decided to style first because I like to set the curls where they naturally lay. So it's really stylist preference in how they choose to cut. Some will cut as soon as you walk in on your natural hair. Some will style. With my education and my learning, I learned how to cut on styled hair. And then just personal preference, I like it more because I can really see where the curl lives, where it lays. Now you can start to see her hair connecting and it's not as many holes. And this is just day one hair. So we're going for volume.
Yeah.
With her hair. So day 2, day 3, even after this, we can diffuse a little bit and create her volume that she wants for her finished look. So in her crown area, because this is the length that we were reaching and we've connected majority of her lines, I'm just gonna go in and do a curl by curl maintenance on her ends because I don't want to take her too short up here. When you want more volume, of course, you can always fluff. Fluffing, I would be careful for those who are a little afraid of frizz, but frizz equals volume. So
I'm not afraid of frizz.
Right, so another thing you can do is use a blow dryer. Just picking her hair up and I'm blowing the air at her roots to just give her some volume. So just like so, and I'll lay that down like I just did, and that adds that volume.